How to fix sync issues in Audiate. First of all, make sure your audio file is fully loaded before you begin editing. Sometimes, Audiate needs a moment to process large files, and jumping in too quickly can cause syncing problems between the waveform and the transcript. Next, check the playback settings by going to the Generate option and then selecting Generate Audio. Here you will see the speed option. Verify that your playback speed is set to normal. If it's set higher or lower than 1x, it might create a noticeable mismatch in the timing during playback, making it seem like your transcript and audio are out of sync even when they are not. Set it to normal, click on Generate Audio, and this should fix the sync issues. Also pay attention to background noise. If there's too much noise or overlapping voices, Audiate might struggle to align the transcript correctly. You can reduce this by applying noise reduction filters or manually trimming unnecessary sections. If none of that helps, consider updating Audiate. Sync issues can be caused by bugs that may have already been fixed in newer versions, so go to Help and check for updates to ensure you are running the latest version. And that's it. Now you know how to fix sync issues in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.